Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the cholinomimetic, hello friends, in the cholinomimetic drugs, cholinomimetic drugs will have muscarinic action and nicotinic action. Muscarinic actions having cholinomimetic drugs having muscarinic action include acetylcholine, methacholine, bethanacol, carbachol, bethanacol, pilocarpine and muscarine. All these will have muscarinic action. Whereas the drugs with nicotinic action are acetylcholine, carbachol, aricoline and methacholine. Acetylcholine, carbachol, aricoline and methacholine have nicotinic action. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.